Hello guys, today we're eating some ice cream. It's a Sunday. It's really hard. Uh, it's good. It's really good. It might take a while. You must focus on the time speed. So basically this video is an ASMR video. Wait, hear it? That's some good sound. That's actually pretty good. Chocolate sundae. It's $25. It's so crazy.
Bang iyo ah. Mahal yan.
25.
Ubo ka pa ata eh.
Hindi. Pun lang.
Pun lang.
Oh. Oh man, this is real good. It's gonna take a while. For ASMR. It's so soft. It's nice and cold. It's only for $25.
Wala namang ngipin.
Ha? It's a big piece. I got a real big piece. Oh, no, that's a little too big. Oh, now that's a big piece. Look at this. It's bigger than my nose. My mouth. It's gonna take a while, but at least you guys watch it, right? You're gonna have to watch the movie. While it's happening in our house. Oh, no, this is a really big piece. Oh, no. This is so hard. Ow. Right. ASMR? Alright, I got you.
Si Madam! Ay, Madam! What? Madam!
Dito. Dami na bili na ako. Ano ka lang sa
Pantay na ba ka ng diaper?
Should take me to eat ice cream? Oh, not bad. I actually don't know. It's still tasty.
Yun na, pasok-sapin mo daw si ano. Si Borno. Hindi. Hindi daw.
Yeah.
Bring, pasok-sap daw.
We a lot in our family. It's got like really, really, really loud house.
Ay, ganda-digad mo. Diyan na si Emmy. Ni Coy. At nakakoy na mo. Meron, ganda-digad yan. Meron.
It's just saying, like, this price is only $25. Like, yeah.
Hoy, Miguel, ano yun? AI gayon? Ay gayon? Kala ko yan. Miguel, bala mo. Pagpag-iyak iyong ano? Kala ko yung Alice. Sa tali yan Mas mura po sa tali. Kaya sa doon. Ay pala. Kala ko yan. Wow, si Brianna.
It's tasty. It's about 7-minute video. Guys, speak up. Please. Morning, phones, clothing. Go. My phone is on this thing. I know what it is. Water. Back to the ASMR. I'm almost done. Look at this. Ooh. Stacy. I read this. 5 out of 10. Like the price. No, seriously. 25. Go to the trash and get this one. See you in the next video. Peace.